I was gifted this really awesome flip gate latch with a padlock for the back gate, and I wanted to put it together all by myself, and that's exactly what I did because this is such an easy install. It only takes 4 screws for each piece, and it comes in 2 different pieces. The gate itself is 7.5 inches long and heavy duty, whether it's a barn door or it's a sliding door or it's a shed or it's your simple fence like you see me doing here. It's going to work. The quality of this is wonderful. It's heavy, it's durable, and I love that it comes with all of the necessities you need to install it. I didn't have to buy anything. I didn't have to go to the hardware store, or you just need a drill. You just need to be able to drill in the screws, and they provide you all of the screws and even the padlock to lock it. Like, that's awesome. It is different sizable, so depending on how far your gate latches or how far your fence posts are apart, it's perfect. As you can see, it was a very awesome, easy install. And here it is, the padlock that comes with it. It's an easy open and an easy install right onto the gate lock itself. I love having the extra security measure of the lock on our gate because if you have kids, you just absolutely know. This was a super easy install, and I could even do it myself. The quality was outstanding, and I really am happy that I have this fence lock on my gate now because it keeps everything that needs to stay in. This was an absolute quality and great find.